Hi guys, so today I'll be doing an unboxing video on this iLuv MyPower 10Q portable power bank. It's a 10,000 mAh portable QI certified wireless charging battery pack with also USB Type-C and USB-A ports, which is the regular USB. So there's 3 different ways to charge a device. Pretty neat to have a wireless charging power pack. Just drop your modern smartphone on it, it'll charge, you don't even have to plug it in. And then you have a regular USB for which will fit basically any other device. Charge with the case on, like for the wireless charging. And it has the intelligent smart charging that automatically detects what type of device, how much power it needs to charge it as quickly as possible. What else? You could also charge 3 devices at the same time, technically, with the 2 ports and wireless charging. So technically you could charge 3 things at the same time. And 10,000 mAh capacity, that's pretty good. Used for smartphones and tablets, Bluetooth headphones, Bluetooth speakers, even like smartwatches and like these have wireless charging, so that could be set on top and it should charge as well. Compatible devices include iPhone X, iPhone 8, 8 Plus, Samsung phones. Tells you all the different models there. Okay, so let's go ahead with the unboxing. Oh, nice finish on it too. So it comes with a cable. That's probably to actually charge the actual power bank itself. Very compact, slim, nice finish. This is, I guess, is the side you'd use for the wireless charging. It says iLuv at the top. So you have a power button here. I don't know if there's a, oh yeah, there's a charge indicator in the front there. So the power button will bring up the charge indicator there. There's the USB Type-C. Okay, so this cable's for charging the device. It'll connect to the one that says in right here. So you can charge the power pack by USB using a phone charger, laptop. There's your regular USB port. So all the ports and buttons are on the top, there's nothing on the other sides. Here, I'll sit my phone on it to see if it charges right out of the box. Yeah, there we go. 96% charge. And it's charging just like that. Oh yeah, and then that will light up green when the phone is on it as well. Yeah, pretty neat. And then you also include the instruction manual in the box. And that's it for the unboxing of the iLuv MyPower 10Q portable power bank with 3-way charging. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more unboxing videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.